Peanuts are the star in this chutney, together with lentils, spices, sesame seeds, onion, and curry leaves. First, I'm going to start with 2 teaspoons each of Chana Dhal and Urad Dhal. Let this toast for a while so the Chana Dhal gets cooked. Remove this and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to roast 1 cup of raw peanuts. Cook this for a few minutes until the peanuts get a darker color. Next, add in 4 cloves of garlic and 2 green chilies. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of curry leaves and 1 cup of sliced onion. Saute everything together and cook it till the onion gets translucent. Next, add in salt to taste. And I'm going to add in a pinch of jaggery. You can also add some sugar. Now transfer this to your food processor and allow everything to cool. Add a pinch of Hing. This has numerous health benefits. And I also soaked a 2-inch piece of tamarind in half a cup of hot water earlier. I'm going to add in the tamarind as well as the water. Process this. Taste for salt and add salt to taste. If you need to add a little bit more water, you can do that as well. Now this peanut chutney is pretty delicious, but I'm also going to be preparing a tadka that's going to go over it. I'm going to heat up some oil, and to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dhal as well as 1 teaspoon of Urad Dhal and allow this to cook. I'm also going to add in 2 red chillies and a 1/4 cup of curry leaves as well as 1 green chilli that I sliced. Simply saute it, take it off the heat and pour it over the peanut chutney, and this is ready to eat.